Hello everyone, welcome back to the fourth part of the tutorial series on making a robot character, a very basic one. I'll always specify this a very basic one so that people don't get disappointed by the end result. Okay, so let's start with this one. So this is probably going to be the biggest one of the series because the animation takes a bit of time because you need to deal with a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's just get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over on this side. This path is always a bit weird for me. Okay, so for this side I'm going to go into pose mode, and for this side, in this area, in the what's this called, let's see, this area, go into the dope sheet, and then in the dope sheet selection, action editor. So what we are going to do is, okay, so our animation is going to be like 24 maybe. Yep. So let's see, we currently don't have any animation, so we need to add one. Click here, let's just call this one idle, and always, as always, fake, I don't know what that, but it's for saving the animation area. So for the idle one, let's just keep it to 100. Let's keep it to 100, this area. So what we're going to do is, for idle, first thing is, let's just bring it down a bit. Okay, so that one is completely there, this one is there, like that. Okay, so this is going to be the first frame, so select A and I, and then location, rotation and scale. Let's just do that, location, rotation and scale. So what we want is from 0 to 100, let's just go to 100 and select all, copy, and then control shift and V. So as you can see, it's inverted the ones that this let's just see again. So this one is a bit towards the inside and this one is a bit out compared to this one. Control shift and V. Now the positions are inverted, like replace, it's flipped on the x-axis, as you can see. Now this one is in towards the inner side and this one is towards the outer side. So scale, right now select A, press A, and then I, location, rotation and scale. Now it's a bit too how should I put it, it's too much. I think that this needs to be a bit in. So now A, location, rotation, scale, go to frame 100. A, copy, control C, copy, control shift V, and then A, I, location, rotation and scale. It's not that, it looks a bit weird, but let's see what it looks like. Sorry, it's just waving the hands are just being a bit wavy-ish. Okay, what we need is let's just end it at frame 99. Let's see what happens. I think it would work better here. No, what needs to happen is at frame 50 it needs to go to the other side and then it needs to come back, so that it's more smooth, and when you're looping it looks alright. So let's just delete this, go to this one, select copy, frame 100, AI, so that it's just the same frame, it's just the same position across the whole thing right now. So anyways, copy, around frame 100 we need to basically control shift and V. Okay, and then AI and place the values. So now let's see. See, it's looping and it looks alright. Anyways, so that's what's this? What is going on here? Ah, crap. Okay, anyways, let's just stop this. Let's copy them. Copy. Maybe go into the idle one and then paste. No, it doesn't work that way. I need to delete this one. Unlink action. Maybe that would work. No. This is the problem with this is what I'm always confused by. It's a bit weird to understand it. Let's just make it again. This is why I don't really like animations that much, because let's just make it a bit better even this time. AI location rotation scale, go to frame 100. It's not that much work anyway. Location rotation scale at frame 50 we just need to rotate a bit. Hit A, copy, control shift, repaste, and then AI location rotation scale. Let's see. It's the hand is too visible. Well, at least this looks alright. So we got the add animation done. What we're gonna do now is add a new one. Let's go into this one. Let's just delete all the frames. Okay, so this is gonna be no. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to rotate them at the same area. Let's do 65 or 65. Okay. Or 65 minus 65. Okay, so now it's gonna be a bit weird. Okay, so let's just do this. Okay, so let's just make this the first frame. I location rotation scale, and this one's going to be about 24 frames. So at 25 frame we're going to come back to this position, location rotation scale. So what we're going to do is arm forward, arm backward, rest, arm forward, center, arm backward, rest. Okay, so at 6 it's going to go forward, 12 in the center, 18 backward, 24 center. So at frame 6 we need to be moving forward, so like rotate it like that, this, just a bit less, selected the correct leg, this, and now the back leg, the other one, this and this. So 3 and then 9 to go into the other arms view. Okay, so at 6 this is what the character is going to be doing. Location rotation scale added. Can you see? Looks alright. Okay, so 6. At 12 we need to get them back into the center. So to do that, I'm just going to take these positions, control by location rotation scale, and then 18 we need to completely invert these positions so that it's the complete opposite on the other side. 18, control shift V. So I copied it from here, all the position A, and then control C, and then posted it at 18. Where's 18 gone? Oh, control shift V and then I and then location rotation scale. So this is what the animation currently looks like. Okay, I know, but I'm only making a walk animation anyway, so now I'm gonna tweak it a bit. So for example, at frame 1 goes the, let's just take frame 3 here. It goes below the y-axis, so I need to sort that out, but I don't want it to be too 6, right? 0, 3. Let's just keep it like that. Okay, so copy this position, A, control C, go into 9, A, control V, and then I. Okay, that's what it looks like. And then this one, A, control and C, copy. For this one I'm going to invert it at 15, A, control shift and V, then I, location rotation scale, and then at 21, control shift V, I, location rotation scale. So let's see what it looks like now. I know it doesn't look like the best animation in the world, but it's alright. It's not the best one. I'm not the best guy in the world. Okay, so the character is walking now. Yep. So we've got 2 animations now. If you would want to make it for yourself, you can probably make more, but I'm only going to be keeping it at 2. It's not been that long. Should I make one more animation? What should I make for the third one? Let's just do the dab animation. It's a bit hard to make, but once again, armature action. What's this? Idle 1, armature. Okay, so armature action. It's called walk. This one. Walk is this one. Idle. This one is really weird. Idle 1, it's none. This one is 100, I believe. F idle is 1 to 100 frames, and it's the whole thing. So yep, it's this one, and then the 0 walk. Let's just do that. And this one is going to be 25. So it's smooth. It looks alright. So not the worst thing. It's a F idle and F walk. Let's undo this here. F idle and then this one. Okay, so these are the two animations I've made. I'm going. I think I should make another one. We'll just call it dab and lock it. So to dab, you would need to bend the neck a bit. So first we need to location rotation scale. And then the final position is going to be this goes here, that goes a bit to the head twists a bit to the left. To the front, from the top. Take this one, go here, go here. I think I need to bend the neck a bit more. Not enough that it completely cuts out though. Not the worst looking animation, but face it. That's what it looks like. Okay, so the other arm is going to be, it goes along with the arm, right? It goes, sorry, it goes up as well. The only thing is it goes something like that. Okay, so my robot is not tapping. Let's see, it's not a perfect tap, but that's alright. I think the arms are a bit too short. Oh, no, nothing, I didn't say anything. The arms are perfect length. There's nothing wrong with the arms. Okay, so that's good. Let's see what it looks like. Oh crap. I did all that and I forgot to put the location. Okay, it's safe for some reason. A location rotation scale. Let's see him dab. What we can do is take the dabbing position because it's too slow, I think, and put it at 12. And this one, a copy, a paste, location rotation scale. What am I doing? At 12. Sorry, copy the positions from here. A, Control C, copy, and at 12, the frame 12, A, paste, and then I, location rotation scale. Then go to the frame 0, A, Control C, copy, Control V, A, I, location rotation scale. Let's see him tap now. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the animation part of it. It wasn't that long because it wasn't that complicated for me because the robot is very blocky, and I told you at the beginning that I'm only going to be making a very simple robot that only works, but I've also added dubbing here. Okay, so that's the animation of the robot done. In the next part I'm going to be going into the Unity and I'm going to show you how to import it into Unity as well. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye.